Descriptive siya.
Bet mo rin to? Oh yeah, I guess we both have good choice. Uy, bayad na yan?
Hindi pa.
Okay, I'll pay for it.
Uy, wow, thank you. Kaya siguro tayo pinagtatagpo para malibre mo ako.
I wish you bang reason kung bakit. Tara kain. I want you to know better.
Okay ka lang?
Yeah, I just, well,
What's wrong? You can tell me everything.
it's all about these past few months. The way we treat each other. Kung paano tayo naging malapit sa isa't isa.
Oh,
I know this place. It doesn't encourage certain feelings, but I can hold it anymore. The truth is, Nami, I really, really like you.
Mallory,
I know it might be crazy, considering all the rules here, but I just want you to know how I feel.
Mallory, the truth is, I like you too.
You do?
Yes, but everything seems so complicated here.
I know. Just maybe the things can change.
Maybe they can.
Breaking news. Approval of gender equality relationships in the workplace. Inaprubahan na ng DOLE ang batas na nagtitiyak ng pantay na pagtrato sa mga relasyon sa trabaho, anuman ang kasarian. Pinaparangalan ng desisyong ito ang pagiging kasama at iba't ibang kultura sa lugar ng trabaho. Manatili para sa mga reaksyon at pagsusuri habang tinatanggap ng mga organisasyon ang pagbabagong ito.
Hey, you can tell me anything. We're in this together, remember?
That's the thing, Nami. I don't know if we truly are in this anymore.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
These past few months, since everything has changed, having you by my side, being able to hold your hand,
daw, Mal.
But lately, all these feelings, pressure to be perfect, to figure out our future, to be out in everyone, it's just too much.
Hey, we can take it slow. Hindi natin kailangan madali ng lahat.
It's not about that thing now. Maybe masyado tayo nagmadali in this whole relationship thing.
So, what are you saying?
I think we need a break. As in a clean break. Maybe masyado lang tayo na-overwhelm.
A break? You mean you want to end things?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung paano sasabihin. I just want space. Yung malayo sa'yo, yung hindi kita makikita or makakausap man lang.
Okay, if that's what you need.
Nami, please. Hindi dahil hindi ako concerned sa'yo. You're incredible. But maybe it's just too much. Too soon for both of us.
Siguro nga tama ka, Mallory.
Looks like you can use some cheer up. Me too.
Oh, thanks.
I'm Hannah, by the way.
Nami, have a seat.